Yesterday there was a call received at around 6 o'clock in the evening, after which we went to the spot, and there was a body lying over there having multiple injury marks. So accordingly, a murder case was registered and investigation was taken up, and multiple teams were formed. Uh, so during investigation, we through technical analysis and through CCTV footages, we were able to identify the deceased who had come with his friends. So based on those inputs, we apprehended 4 persons who were part of the same group with the deceased, and we have arrested 4 of them. And it transpired that they were a group of friends who, after consuming liquor, they had a scuffle, and this deceased suffered injuries and he died on the spot. Later on, all of his friends, they ran away from the spot, and they were in the process of going away. They were actually they were running from the law, and they were about to leave Goa when we apprehended them.
So any modus operandi behind it?
As I said, it was a case of a drunken brawl amongst the friends. So after that brawl, the victim suffered injuries and he died.
They were resident of the
They
civil?
are originally from Assam, and they were the migrant laborers, and they had recently come to Goa.
What is the age group, sir?
Age group is around 25 to 27 years.
Okay.